everyone. Today I am going to discuss type 3 construction of quadrilateral. When two adjacent sides and three angles are given, how to construct a quadrilateral. Let's move to exercise 4.3 question 1 fourth one. Our question is construct rectangle OKAY where OK equal to 7 cm and KA equal to 5 cm. Look at the question carefully. Here we are getting only two measures. Think whether are you able to construct a quadrilateral or not. What is your answer? Yes, we are not able to construct a quadrilateral with the two measures. Why? To construct a unique quadrilateral, we need 5 measures. But here we are getting only 2 measures. So what is the next step? Which quadrilateral they are asked to draw? Here the quadrilateral is rectangle. So we can use the property of rectangle to construct the quadrilateral. What is the property of rectangle? Yes, the sides of opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Similarly, all angles of the rectangle are of 90 degree. So here we are doing the construction of two adjacent sides and three angles. So we are getting two adjacent sides from the question, and by using the properties of rectangle, we are getting three angles. Now we are able to construct the quadrilateral. So what is the first step of construction? Yes, the first step of construction is drawing the rough figure. Here I have to draw a rough figure of a rectangle. I am drawing a rectangle and can give the name OKAY. OK is given 7 cm, KA is given 5 cm. Now with the help of properties of rectangle, we can mark any three angles. That is the base angle 90 degree and one more angle, this is also 90 degree. Now we got three angles and two adjacent sides of a quadrilateral. Now we are able to construct the rectangle OK. Here we are using the properties of rectangle. So we have to write here angle A equal to angle K equal to angle O equal to angle Y equal to 90 degree, out of which these three angles we are using. So the first step, we have to draw line segment OK equal to 7 cm. So I am marking the point. And draw a line segment. Mark it as O. This is K, 7 cm. Now at O, I have to construct angle 90 degree. We are able to construct this angle 90 degree. So with the center O, any convenient radius, I am drawing a semicircle or an arc which intersect both the sides. This line segment, if you are extending, I am getting one point of intersection here and one more here. So from here, take the radius more than half of this one. We have to take, I am taking almost this much radius, and with the center here, I am drawing an arc. With the center here, I have to draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection. We can join this line. Similarly, at a K also, any convenient radius, I have to draw a circle, semicircle, and take this point of intersection, take more than half of this one. I am taking almost this much as the radius. With the center here, draw an arc over here. And now with the same radius and center here, mark a point here. Now mark the point of intersection as Y. Here we can mark it as, here already Y is there, so give it as P, and here we can mark it as Q. Now we have to join KP and OQ. Now you have to join. Now we have KA equal to 5 centimeter. For that, with the center K and radius 5 centimeter, we have to draw an arc. So in the compass, take exactly 5 centimeter. Now with the center K, radius 5 centimeter, you have to draw an arc. The point of intersection is here. This is the point of intersection. We can mark it as A. Now at A, we have to construct angle 90 degree. For that, you have to turn the book. And with the center A, any convenient radius, you have to draw an arc. Now you can extend this ray. This is the point of intersection we got. With this point of intersection, radius more than half of this much, we are taking this much and to draw an arc here. With the center here, you have to draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection as Z. Now join AZ. We have to join AZ. And the rays are intersecting at this point. This is the point Y, which is the required fourth point. Now the construction is over. You have to verify the angles by using protractor. So take the protractor. We constructed the angle, so we can verify by using protractor. See here, the angle is exact. See the base also. We are getting exact 90 degree angle here. Here also we constructed, so see here also we are getting exact 90 degree. Now we constructed at A 90 degree, so turn the book and keep the protractor here, and you can observe that it is exactly 90 degree only. So in a rectangle, all angles are of measure 90 degree each. So one more angle is there, angle Y. If you want, you can check that also with the protractor. So you can see that it is also of 90 degree. Hence the construction is perfect here. Now we have to write the steps for construction. Also write the given measures. 3 angles we constructed. So these are the 3 angles and 2 adjacent sides given. These are the 3 adjacent sides. Now we can see the steps for construction. First, draw line segment OK equal to 7 centimeter. At O, construct angle 90 degree. At K, construct angle 90 degree. Now, with the center K and radius 5 centimeter, draw an arc which intersect the ray at the point A. Mark the point of intersection of ray and arc as A. Now at A, construct angle 90 degree. The point of intersection of ray AZ and OQ, mark it as Y, which is the required fourth point of the rectangle. Now the rectangle OKAY is ready, which is the required rectangle. So here children, we are constructing a rectangle with 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. Here we have only 2 adjacent sides, but by using the property of rectangle, we construct the rectangle by using the property of rectangle. All angles of a rectangle are equal and it is of 90 degree. We want here 3 angles. 2 adjacent side they already given. So the adjacent sides are OK and KA. These are the 2 adjacent sides. And the 3 angles we have chosen is angle A, angle K and angle O. Thus we have constructed the required rectangle. So these are the steps for construction.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.